Guys, look what I finally ended up getting. Yay! Hello everyone. Buenos dias. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Saludo wherever you are. I know we're all over the state, so just wanted to say hi. As you see behind me, I have a whole disaster. No, we are not moving. I'm just like super deep cleaning right now, like spring cleaning in advance. I realized that my broom looks kind of rough. Rough is an understatement. Guys, look at my Raggedy Ann broom. This thing has been beat up, abused, and everything. It is time to switch this thing out. And so does my mop, and it's probably time to go change them out. So I'm going to go to Family Dollar to coupon for those things. Hopefully I could coupon. I'm gonna see what I could come up with. Maybe I won't. Let's find out. So that's what we're gonna do. And actually I should grab this recycling. And let's go run over to the recycling bin also to go put this in there. All right, let's get out of here. Also, look how pretty it is outside. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see over there, but flowers are blooming. I know I still have my autumn flag up, but hey, who's judging? But it is so nice out. Not even any wind. Look at those trees, how still they are. Yes, spring, here we come. But let's go get this all recycled. And actually this I have to drop off for donations also. I don't know if I'll do it today, but Luna absolutely did not like that thing. She completely hated it. I think if she used it for a month, it was a lot. So time to donate that to someone who will actually use it. Alright, I'm gonna finish throwing these in here and then I'm going to morph you guys straight to Family Dollar. Okay, so I was going to get this mop, but look at that, it's $9. So I also need a broom, and as you see there, it says 11 buckaroonies. And actually down here, this bucket, I've been wanting this version of that O-Cedar brand mop bucket, and look what I found over here on this side. It's a whole kit for $30, but there is that $5 off 25 digital, and look, it comes with a broom. So I think I'm going to grab this one. So morphing back home, here you go guys. Oh my gosh, so it was not on sale. I'm sure with spring cleaning coming around the corner, Family Dollar, Dollar General, all these places will probably have these at a discount price, probably have its own individual coupon for them, in addition to those 5 off 25s and such that you can be doing. That's what I used. I used that $5 off 25. Oh, focus camera. As you see, I used that $5 off of $25, as you see right there, being that it was 30 bucks. It took the $5 off, so I only paid $26.63, which in my opinion is still a lot, but man, it comes with the broom and everything also. You see that? Broom is all detached inside of there. It also comes with the wringer bucket, which is what I really wanted, and the broom, which has a removable mop head, which is also a huge reason as to why I got it. Yeah, while I was in Family Dollar, I realized that even their brand, that Homeline brand of mop, was $9, which is okay of a price, but it doesn't have a removable mop head. So even though I'm saving a couple of dollars, I'm really being charged even more, because then what, once it gets all beat up and stuff, I just have to throw it away. Like, I can't reuse it or reuse the stick. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I didn't see the replacement heads there. So, and then the mop by itself was $11, as you saw, which I also think is a lot. And I already have like a dustpan for it, so I don't need a dustpan, I just need the mop. So and I really like that brand of the mops because they're really sturdy. That thing lasts me forever. As you saw, I used and abused that thing. So I ended up wanting the same one, and when I saw the box, I saw that it came inside of here. So I'm like, of course I'm gonna grab this one. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and that way I could get cleaning, because as you see, I have a box here, a bag here of trash, and then look at my living room. It's all like dismantled. I have everything all over the place, started organizing, and I have everything kind of off the floor. I have some spot there I have to mop. As you guys know, with kids, with 2 little girls and a newborn that's starting to learn how to walk now, this place gets super messy. So we're gonna be mopping that up in a second. Let's do this unboxing. Alrighty, so it just comes taped on the side. I should probably get a knife. Yeah, let me get a knife. Oh, also, I am totally cooking too, making some soup. Actually, let me show you real quick. I'll show you the end result in a second. But here's what I got going on right here. See that? Got some onions and some celery going so far with some seasoning. This is everything I end up using. And then collard greens are about to go in, and I'm gonna make it with some beef, so like a beef stew. All right, so I got the knife. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Let's see, one-handed, this is awkward. There you go. Other side. Come on. I may have to put you guys down. Un momentico, por favor. Okay, so I didn't cheat you guys. I haven't looked inside yet, so let's see. Alright. Currently I have the box backwards. So here's all the instructions. Looks interesting, looks interesting. So apparently you could extend the stick also. Very cool. And that part is removable, so that's awesome. And then it's showing just how you could spin it or wring it so you could dry it up. Remove some of the excess water. Okay, so far so good. Oh, sorry, flowers, my bad. So far so good. Oh, that is a sturdy bucket. Also, what does that sound? Oh, they're sticks. Okay. Yeah, not too shabby. Like, it looks nice and sturdy. It has a little, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. It has a pedal and everything, so you could just do one of these right there. Nice. All right, and then what all is in here? Okay, got this, got a broom. Here's the broom I was talking about that it comes with. And the extendo stick. This must be for the actual mop. Is that correct? Yes, I think that's for the mop. So it's an extending stick. And here is the broom. Oh, that's what was making that sound. It's like aluminum sounding. And you just combine the broom up and put it together. That's nice. Look how sturdy. Look how sturdy this broom is. That is a good looking broom. And it's very heavy too. It's like super sturdy. So good buy there. All right, let's check out this mop though. All right, let's go ahead and put this bad boy together. So here's the extend stick. Guys, and it's super soft. I don't know if you could tell how spongy that is. That is nice. I would imagine it absorbs a lot of water. That's what it looks like open. There it is. Super cool. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, nice. So that's simple enough. You just snap it in. There you go. And it's in. Woo! Mop time. Never been so clean, so happy to clean in my life. That's nice. Look at that. Oh. Look, guys. There it is. And again, we're under construction, so if you see all these random tiles missing, that's why. But yeah, so you see that? And then you just twist it to make sure it secures this part for the extension. And that's it. Ooh, super nice. And it says it's like to hit the corners. So you can hit the corners really well. Nice. Super, super nice. This is gonna do a good job, I know it. And of course the mop head is removable, so you could change this out. I don't remember if I recorded how much it was at Family Dollar. I don't remember if it said like $7 or something. These things are pricey, but at least we have the whole contraption, which is really most of what you're paying for is this system right here. So I like not having to put my hands in, unless of course I'm gonna go clean the mop. Then of course I'll just put some gloves on and clean that mop very thoroughly. But yeah, let's give this a try. Okay, that mop did such a good job. Look at this floor. Guys, look how spotless. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's just Luna. Don't mind her being loud as always. Look at this. That floor is looking nice and sharp. Look, this floor is clean on this side, and then look, that side needs some work. You see the difference? Dirty. Clean. It looks really good. It's a total difference. This thing really did work, like really well. I'm really proud and happy that I ended up using it. Oh, and I did learn too that I was not drying it as well as I should have. You have to like kind of put it in there kind of loose, and then it starts draining out all the water. It's really good. I am super happy with that. Loved it. Alright, here's the outcome. Floor looks really good. Look at that. I still have the mop bucket right here. Super good job it did. Got everything all situated in here for the most part. Got a couple of little things I have to clean up, but so far the floor is usually the biggest headache to have to clean up. At least it is for me, because it is a constant battle with the kids running around, but it looks really good. Super, super good. I washed the carpet or the rug also, so everything looks nice and clean, super tidy. Not over there. I still gotta organize their trampoline and their toys, but that's okay. They play with that stuff as soon as they come home. And yeah, floor looks awesome. I really, really recommend this big time. It was such a lifesaver. I feel like you don't have to scrub too much. It's not like a lot of like elbow grease you have to put into it. I just left it like a little bit damp for the first round. Let it sit maybe a couple minutes, and then just like spun it one more time like that. And the water, see how the water comes out? And then the more you do it, the more it's wringing it and the drier it gets. So highly recommend it, guys, especially if you have like a coupon for it. Again, I only used the 5 off 25. So yeah, so I only used the 5 off 25, but with spring coming around, I'm pretty sure that O-Cedar mop, the spin mop, is definitely going to have another additional coupon on top of that 5 off 25. So take advantage of that, because one is a manufacturer coupon, and one, that 5 off 25 will be a store coupon. So you can use them both. But yeah, they weren't any yet, but I'm sure they're soon to come. And Family Dollar is also doing a 5 off 25 as well as a 10 off of 50 and a 20 off of 75 this week. So take advantage of that if you need to get big purchases anyway. I'm dying to see what the girls are going, or how they're going to react to all this. It's time for me to go pick them up from school, because I think yeah, it's about that time. I have to go get them, so let's go pick them up and then see their reaction. I love seeing their reactions. They love seeing like dramatic changes and stuff like this. They love clean houses. So let's go see their reaction. Okay, and check out the soup. The soup is done. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. A nice thick stew. I put some collard greens in there, some onions. I put some celery, some potatoes, as you see right there. And yeah, some like nice steak or beef. Looks really good. I know that tastes awesome. Go ahead and serve some plate, but actually it is time for me to go get the girls, so I should probably go handle that. And if you guys were wondering where's Luna, mommy had her, because look, she's sleeping. How cute. My little cutie pie. No trouble. So how was school, babies?
Good.
It was good. What'd you do?
I know.
You don't know. Here, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Here,
I want to hold it. I'm gonna hold
You got it?
it.
Don't touch the screen, okay? Go
Okay.
ahead. Tell them what you did today in school.
I did go painting.
Painting. Ooh. How about you, Allie? Pass to the Allie. Allie, what did you do today in school?
I did paint.
You did painting also?
Yeah.
That's super cool. What did you paint?
I paint.
Did you paint a snowman?
It not got white.
No. Did you paint a flower?
It got leather.
Yellow?
It not got pink.
No.
No. It got pink.
That's cool. You guys both did painting today?
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So now we're just on the way home. And it's actually like really, really nice out. Like super nice. I think actually right here it says it's 75 degrees, but honestly I think that is a bit of a lie because it is really nice. Like it honestly feels like it's what, like 86 to 92, like something within there. It's really, really nice out. And even the trees, look, they're all starting to fill out again. So yeah, really good day in Florida, thank goodness. But yeah, we'll see in a second what their reaction is. I can't wait. Look, what do you think about the living room? Look. What do you think? Is it nice and clean?
How do we wipe it?
Huh?
How we wipe it everywhere?
I used the mop, that new mop. Do you like it, Allie?
Yeah!
It's super clean. Look, I cleaned the rug too. I see you're avoiding it. Thank you very much for not stepping on it. I really appreciate that.
As I go around.
Yeah, go around. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I think I'm going to end it right here because it's probably long already. Thank you so much. If you stuck around this long, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, we upload new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos, so make sure that notification bell is turned on. And I'm gonna try to do more vlogs because I really enjoy them. I'll still try to do like the couponing deals, of course. But maybe I'll combine them. Let me know what you think about that idea. Oops, sorry, camera's bad. There you go. Boop. So yeah, let me know what you think about the idea of mixing couponing with vlogs. Maybe put vlog at the back end or combination or sometimes alternating. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye guys.